Hi, my name is Preston Bainhout. Work for Paul Mitchell. Thanks for having lunch with me today. Here's my business card. Chelsea told me that your salon is doing great since the new opening.
Mm-hmm.
And she also mentioned to me that you were looking for a product that helped all of your blonde and gray-haired clients.
I have been.
For a reasonable price?
Definitely.
Look no further, Katie. Paul Mitchell has Platinum Blonde shampoo that will make you and your clients happy. This product restores damaged hair and tones out all the brass. We all know how annoying brass can be in blonde hair.
Oh, definitely.
Now, the bottle, 13 ounce, goes for only $13.95. Both reasonable for you and your clients.
Totally agree with that. Thank you.
Today, I can offer you a discount though if you buy a case, which normally goes for $85, but for you, Katie, today, I can give it to you for $50.
Whoa.
And have it delivered for free within 2 days.
For free?
So, can I start your account and get your order going?
Definitely.
Well, thank you for trusting in me and in Paul Mitchell for all of your blonde clients' needs. I will contact you within roughly 2 to 3 weeks to see how everything's going. Make sure everybody's happy. And don't ever hesitate to call me if you need anything, any other product from Paul Mitchell, or if you have any, concerns or questions. Don't hesitate to call.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you for the opportunity to help me and you grow your business. And don't worry, lunch is on me.
Thank you.